Alrighty everybody, it's Michael Alder here from CarpetExpertBlueprint.com, and in this video I want to show you how to cut indoor-outdoor carpet for long running seams. So I'm in a basement right now. I have a 21-foot seam I have to put together. So I'm going to show you a couple tools you can use and how to cut seams, get them lined up and get them burned. It'll be over a couple part series, but in this one I'll show you how to go ahead and get the seam cut. Now, first you need your tape measure. We have a fill piece that is going to be just over 8 feet wide. So I'm going to cut it at 97 inches here. And indoor-outdoor carpets are stitched in rows. So what you want to do is you can take a pen or a flathead screwdriver. There's multiple tools. You can use knitting needles even. Any DIY thing you could grab, but a pen is always around and it'll work in most cases. And you're going to take that point of the pen and you want to use that to run down these rows and separate them so you can go ahead and cut the seam. So let's get a better angle here. I know the camera's not going to pick up on it real well, and it isn't always easy to get it a good run right away. So if you can't catch it right away, just try a couple different spots until you get a nice groove going. Now, fortunately for this video, I got lucky on the first one and it went through pretty smooth. So next, we're going to take your top cutter. There's your top cutter. It's got blades on both sides. I'm going to go ahead and drop a blade down on one side. I know the camera's not picking up on that real well there, but then we're going to go ahead and put it in between the two rows that we had just split, and the blade is actually set at a certain length so it won't cut through onto your next carpet if you're cutting on top of carpet. But then you're just going to run this down, and I like to do like a foot or two when I'm getting started just so I don't lose where I started running my line. So we're going to pick up on this here, take your regular knife. Now we know exactly where we started here. So now we got to go all the way down, split this off at 97 inches all the way down, just like I showed you there. Just keep running your row. Continue all the way down, cut with your top cutter, and then use your knife to go ahead and make a relief cut on any areas that didn't cut all the way across. Next, we're going to go ahead and seam everything together. So if you're new to this, practice a few times first. Make sure you're staying in between the rows. And thank you so much for tuning in. I'm going to see you on the next one.